My friends, I'm presenting to you Punta Piedra in La Misión. It's physically is located in the county of Ensenada, but it's in the Rosarito corridor area. This is a very exclusive unit of houses where you can buy just the land or you can buy a house already built in. This high-end area, the houses are between 500,000 and $1 million and has this walking area which is about 1 mile and is private and very exclusive. So if you're looking for a high-end area that do not allow Airbnb and just very, very exclusive, please give us a call. Jose Luis Lopez with Del Mar Rosarito Real Estate. I can send you the inventory of the house available. And also they have just opened in another area. It's called Punta Piedra La Misión. There the houses are between $400,000 and $500,000, but you have access to this exclusive area because it's Punta Piedra still. Then you can call me to schedule a visit. This is just a wonderful paradise, as you can see over here in a sunny day in the month of May. So I'm sharing with you these views because they're spectacular. So again, give us a call. We'll schedule a visit. And I hope you call me soon. Thank you. Hi, in this section of the video, I'm going to explain to you where is Punta Piedra and when you're coming from California Freeway 5. And I'm going to start showing it right here. When you cross, this is the Freeway 5 and San Diego, and then you cross over here in San Isidro. Normally, if you're going to go in the scenic road, the toll road, you're going to go this direction. Over here is the toll booth. And then, as I mentioned in other videos, if you come over here all the way to Rosarito, right here, this is where Hotel Rosarito is. And then they're 20 miles from coming from the border. Since you cross the border all the way to Hotel Rosarito, those are 20 miles. If you keep going in the scenic road, go 25 more miles. So it will be 25 more miles, which is going to be total of 45 miles. And then you're going to get to La Misión. And don't exit La Misión. The next exit, about 1 more mile, it will be right here. And right is the exit to Punta Piedra, which in the next section, I'm going to show you the area of Punta Piedra, which is about 1 mile south of La Misión. And La Misión is one of the most beautiful places in terms of nature, ocean, the beautiful beach, and that's where this exclusive development is, where you can buy a piece of land and build your own home, or you can buy one of the 4 different models that they already have. Please stay with me. So now I'm going to show you the actual development of Punta Piedra. Thank you. My friends, in this picture we are seeing the same development, which is the new section that we're offering with the new housing. And what I want to show you here is that you're going to have access to kayaking in this area over here. They rent kayaks and you can enjoy all this area of this river, which the water is very clean and comes into the ocean, but there's a kayaking opportunity. The other thing that you can do is get into your car and go all the way to the exit Los Alicitos, somewhere in here. You come back in the scenic road and then you can park. There's plenty of parking in this area, so you can enjoy. You can bring your dog, and this is, to me, this is the best beach in Rosarito. This area, it's always sunny 365 days, and it's just awesome place to relax. And during summer there's a lot of vendors in this area. But also I want to show you, when you come over here to Los Alicitos and then you get another road that comes over this way, this is the town of La Misión, and then they have all the services that a small town has, like for your everyday needs, and then you can go shopping there. Actually, when you go here to the town of La Misión, somewhere in here, that's where they rent the kayaks. So this is another plus of living in the third section, La Misión in Punta Piedra. Thank you. Very well, my friends. In this video, in this picture, I'm going to show you three things. The first one, when you come from the border, you're going to come in this the scenic road. Let me get the markup over here. So you come from this area, and as I mentioned, after Los Alecitos exit, you're going to get to Punta Piedra right here. You go under the bridge right here, and this is the entrance to La Misión, which is the third section of Punta Piedra, and this is the area right here. And these houses that you can see over here, they're some of the 4 different models that they're being offered. So you can stop by and really look at the way the finishes, the quality, and the view, and everything else. The second thing I want to mention is that in this area there is a gas station. It's an Arco gas station, and it also has an Oxxo store. Oxxo store is like 7-Eleven in the USA, and you can find anything for your weekend needs. And the third thing, and the most important one, is like if your home is located in this area, you can just walk this right here, go under the bridge. And over here, this is the 1 mile corridor. Over here, it's already a walking area with the most pristine and beautiful views you can imagine. So every day, you will have the chance to come in here and do that walking for your health, for your exercise, inside of a beautiful, protective, private area. Very, very exclusive. And this one right here is the first section of La Misión. The houses here, there go from $500 to $1 million. This is the second section, which it has its own personality, its own style. And the new one, the one we're offering right now, is the third section called La Misión. Thank you.
Imagina un hogar donde cada amanecer te conecta con la belleza del mar. Con 4 modelos de casas exclusivas, diseñadas para quienes buscan el equilibrio perfecto entre confort y elegancia, nuestro residencial Punta Piedra Misión es el escape que mereces. Disfruta de tus días con actividades al aire libre, cancha de pádel, gimnasio, área de asadores, cabalgatas y mucho más. Cuando el sol se pone, relájate en el jacuzzi, comparte momentos con amigos en el fogatero o simplemente disfruta de la serenidad en el mar. Además, tendrás el clima perfecto para disfrutar todo el año. Tu nuevo hogar te espera. Ven y vive la experiencia Punta Piedra Misión. Contáctanos hoy. Ubicación privilegiada conectada con lo mejor. Bienvenido a Punta Piedra Misión. A solo 15 minutos de Ensenada, donde puedes disfrutar de su vibrante puerto y su exquisita gastronomía. Desde mariscos frescos hasta una de las mejores rutas cerveceras de México. Ensenada es un destino que nunca deja de sorprender. A 25 minutos, el Valle de Guadalupe te espera con sus renombrados viñedos y una oferta gastronómica que fusiona tradición y vanguardia. Disfruta de un atardecer con una copa en mano rodeado de paisajes. Punta Piedra Misión es el lugar perfecto para surfear, practicar kayak o simplemente pasear a caballo por la orilla. Las opciones son infinitas: senderismo en los paisajes, avistamiento de ballenas en el invierno o simplemente disfrutar del sonido de las olas. Y si buscas una escapada internacional, San Diego está a solo 90 minutos, ofreciéndote compras y entretenimiento de primer nivel. Punta Piedra Misión no solo es un lugar para vivir, es un estilo de vida.
Contamos con 4 modelos: Palmas, 373 metros cuadrados de construcción. Santa Rosalía, 213 metros cuadrados de construcción. Loreto, 232 metros cuadrados de construcción. Santo Tomás, 249 metros cuadrados de construcción.
My friends, every day we receive calls, texts, or emails from people just like you. People who are ready to move or to invest or retire in Rosarito area. So if you're one of those people who are ready to make the move in 9 days or 9 months, do not hesitate. Give me a call so we can explore the possibilities of what is available for you to make your dream a reality. Jose Luis Lopez with El Mar Rosarito Real Estate, here ready to be of service to you and your family. I'm bilingual, bicultural, and I have a lot of experience buying properties in the US. And I'm also an investor here in Rosarito, so I can help you and answer any questions that you might have. Jose Luis Lopez, ready. Thank you. Please give me a call.